Introducing Anislag Plogea plexusa of the family Phyllantaceae. Anislag typically exhibits a range of growth forms from shrubs to small trees reaching heights between 1 to 5 meters. Its leaves are elliptical to lanceolate, measuring about 4 to 12 centimeters in length and have a glossy green appearance, giving it a vibrant look. The plant bears small unisexual flowers with male and female flowers usually found on different individuals, showcasing a dioecious reproductive strategy. Anislag plays a significant role in its ecosystem. Its foliage provides shelter and food for various insects and birds. Moreover, the seeds serve as a food source for numerous small mammals. The plant also contributes to soil health through its leaf litter, promoting nutrient cycling and improving soil structure in the forest understory. Traditionally, various local communities utilize anislag for its ecological benefits. The plant's leaves are sometimes used in herbal remedies, while its wood can be crafted into tools and other functional items. Additionally, its role in soil conservation makes it a valuable asset for sustainable land management practices.